Funny and painful.
Yes. All right, so that's that.
I can see why. Where you're pausing? I mean, force, force, Mr. Stackhouse. One finger. There you go.
That's what this is, mnemonics.
Mnemonics.
So create a funny sentence or word that you'll remember, make it dirty if you want to. An example would be splunk. Remember this for the next test, by the way. These are the most deadly pollutants, air pollutants. So splunk is sulfur dioxide, particulates, lead, ozone, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide. This is going to be on the next test, the pollution test. And it's going to be tested. I'm going to ask you details about each of these pollutants. So if you remember that those are we call them the dirty half dozen. Those are the dirty half dozen splunk. You'll remember it on the test. Or you can do something dirty, like I did.
That wasn't the right kind of dirty either. It's just.
I know. I didn't make it up. It was other people who took the course before me that made it up, and then they just passed it down. All right, so identifying question types. This, a lot of times you guys have trouble with the reading quizzes because of this. And the AP just loves to ask these things. It says, all the following except blank are, the major air pollutants. Or so don't get mixed up with except, not, and least. You just flip it around and you cross off the ones that are, and then you leave the one that isn't. It's kind of like which of the following doesn't belong in the group. Think of Sesame Street, which doesn't belong with the other. So you, yes, that. So when you spell all the right statements and cross them off, you end up with the wrong statement, which happens to be the correct answer. You should probably know how to do that. This I've gone over. This is the essay. The AP people love if you talk about where you live. So if you can refer your essays to South Florida, like the Everglades, it makes it more interesting for the reader, so they'll spend more time reading your stuff. So if you can do localized problems versus global stuff, then they pay a little
So
more attention.
they like case studies, you mean?
Yeah, they like specifics.